Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to buy Vechain on Trust Wallet. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Trust Wallet application, which you're going to be required to enter your passcode or your biometrics upon launching. That's going to take you to this homepage. After doing that, it will interest you to know that Trust Wallet is a secure self-custody crypto wallet supporting 10 million plus assets across 70 plus blockchains, including crypto. You can buy, sell, swap, transfer, and earn crypto all in one place. That sounds interesting, right? So let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to buy Vechain on Trust Wallet. From this homepage, you're going to find crypto and NFT tabs. Go ahead and click on crypto. Now you're going to find all your tokens in here, but if you do not find Vechain, select manage crypto at the bottom corner of your screen. In the search bar, type Vechain. So you have this VET, Vechain, BNB Smart Chain, you have Vechain token Ethereum. So I'm going to use this VET, that's VET, which is the Vechain BP20. So in here, if I want to buy, you can see that I'm not able to buy here. I can only send and receive. So I cannot buy Vechain in this. That's Vechain B20. So, okay, I can buy that specifically because I just clicked on Vechain VET. So you have to go back to ensure that you enable this. So this is already gray. So toggle it on to show green. Because if it's not toggled on, you're just going to get over to this space and you're going to find the send and receive buttons or icons and you'll not be able to buy. But toggle this on to show green. And after doing that, click on that. And it's going to take you here where you're going to have a couple more options. So you can even find a couple more options here because you can't buy this. So I'm going all the way back to check if I can buy Ethereum. That's a Vechain Ethereum. Click on that. I still can buy it. So that's one way, or let's say there are other ways that you can definitely do that. Let's say you're gonna have to swap a currency into Vechain for you to be able to get that done. So let's go all the way backwards. So from this homepage, head over to the bottom corner, you're gonna find browser. So click on browser. Let's see, we can do that on PancakeSwap. So click on PancakeSwap. So in the search bar of your browser, type pancakeswap.finance. So it's going to take you here. So ensure that you have connected PancakeSwap to your Trust Wallet. If you've not done that, you're going to find the connect button at the top right corner. Click on that and follow through the process to connect. So after connecting, let's see how we can swap a token to Vechain. So let's say in this way, you have this AIT, let's say USDT. So select USDT. You want to swap USDT so that you can get Vechain. So here we have BNB. So type Vechain. Oh, no result found. And that's like a VN token. This VETs. So Vechain is not also here. Okay. We can do Uniswap exchange. So select Uniswap exchange. So over here, Uniswap, let's see if we can. So let's say this is ETH. We get this ETH, swap in ETH for select token. See if we're gonna find Vechain. Yeah, we found Vechain. So select Vechain. That says this token isn't traded on leading US centralized. So you can click on I understand if you really understand it. So once you do that, select the amount of Ethereum, let's say 1000 Ethereum, and see how we can get this, swap this, see what we're going to receive. So I'm not able to find how much I'm going to receive, how much Vechain I'm going to receive, because I have insufficient liquidity for this trade. But if you have sufficient, you're going to see the balance, and then just go ahead and click on the button that's going to take you to the next step to complete your transaction. So once you do that, you see that you'll be able to exchange your ETH for VEN, and from there you'll be able to buy VeChain or Vechain in Trust Wallet through Uniswap. So you can go about this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.